And I want to share with you another family, another application which called molding application using rapid prototyping. Let's look at the picture. On the left-hand side, we have 6 different objects, all connected, mechanically connected to what we call a runner. That runner will be discussed later. But here, there's a wax pattern, 6 of them, was manufactured using rapid prototyping technologies. And we call it a positive object. This is the object, it's the positive. We use this positive 3D printed object in order to make a shell mold. So we dip it in a ceramic slurry, and when we take it out, it covers completely by ceramics. So the ceramic shell is basically the negative. The wax pattern is the positive. The shell, the ceramic shell, is the negative. We let the wax coming out using a hole at the bottom by heating up the temperature, by heating up that particular body that has wax inside, positive, and the ceramic outside. The wax become fluid, it pours out, and we left with a shell which is basically the mold. Inside that mold, we pour the metal casting or whatever material we would like to do the molding from, or the object from. So again, the left side is the rapid prototyping object being used in order to create a mold, in which mold we actually pour the final material that we would like that particular object to be. So it's another family of applications. It's not actually producing the device which is being used for presentation, for spare parts like we saw before, but it's used to create a mold in which we will do the casting.